All right, let's bring back in 4029 meteorologist Robert. Sir, because Robert, you are tracking severe weather chances beginning tomorrow. What could this storm bring with it?
Everything, it looks like. We're talking about tornadoes, hail, damaging wind. The only thing I don't think will be of major concern is widespread flash flooding, because the storms will be hit or miss and they will be quick moving. There is still a chance some of you in our area don't see anything at all. I want to preface that. But those that do see the severe weather, it could be very, very rough going. Now, severe day for tomorrow into early Wednesday. We're going to watch rain and thunderstorms developing, especially later in the day. And some of those thunderstorms could be what we call discrete, which are all by themselves. Those are the ones can get really, really strong. All modes of severe weather are on the table. Strong, destructive tornadoes, large hail damaging winds, all possible. And again, we're talking about late Tuesday through early in the day on Wednesday. That's the peak timing for that severe weather. Now, right now, things are nice and quiet, which is good. Clear skies. It's really a taste of summer outside, which is aiding to the severe threat, unfortunately. You can see Fort Smith also nice and quiet as we look atop our tower there, Kelly Highway and Albert Pike. Look at these temperatures. We are not in June, folks. We are in, what is today, April 3rd or 4th? It is 85 right now in Fayetteville and Goshen. That is ridiculously warm for this time of the year. 85 in Prairie Grove, River Valley flirting with 90 degrees. Yeah, double snowmans right now in Bacoshi and Salisaw, 88. That is near record numbers. And we may have set some records in some of these locations with the heat. Now we change our focus to the severe potential. Very large area of a moderate risk, a thin area of an enhanced risk, and then we get back to the slight. So in layman's terms, we're talking about scattered to numerous to widespread severe thunderstorms are possible later in the day on Tuesday and into early Wednesday. We also, this is going to be another wide-ranging storm, another moderate risk where they had all those tornadoes up across Iowa and Illinois as well. So we're not the only ones dealing with this. I do suspect tomorrow with the update, the SPC will update some of these areas possibly to a high risk. We'll see, because the atmospheric conditions are so ripe for storms tomorrow. Here's the hail threat. Anywhere you see the hatched, that's where we could see the big hail, 2-inch or greater. That's large, damaging hail. So if you can bring any of your personal property inside, put your car in the garage tomorrow night, that would be strongly recommended. Tornado threat really does worry me. The highest threat will where you see the red shading, but all of it is hatched here. So we're talking about the possibility of EF2 tornadoes or stronger. Those are very damaging, strong tornadoes that we have to be watchful for. And this will be happening overnight when many of you are unfortunately asleep. The high wind threat is also quite high as well, anywhere you see the red and the yellow. As I said, the flash flooding threat not as high with this event tomorrow night. 60s tonight, a very mild night. These are mid-July average temperatures for the most part. And another warm and soupy day tomorrow. All of this heat setting the stage and juicing up the atmosphere tomorrow for the possibility of those strong to severe storms. There's the extended forecast. Once we get to about Wednesday morning, the rest of the week looks fine. We don't have to worry about anything. With temperatures back toward average, look how much temperatures fall between Tuesday and Wednesday, nearly 60 degrees. I think a good part of tomorrow, Brandon, will be quiet as I show you the River Valley, because there's going to basically be the early part of the day, there'll be a lid on the atmosphere and we won't get the explosive thunderstorm development, but that will change as we head through the evening hours. So you're going to make sure you got the 4029 app downloaded on your phone and have a way to get those emergency alerts from the Weather Service.